Hey guys, welcome to this third review video. Today I'm going to review the Etihad Airways A340-600 in the Formula 1 livery. So this is the box. It's a Phoenix model. The registration is A6-AHG. It's a Grand Prix livery of 2017. It's also, as you can see, a limited edition. Most of the models are limited editions, but yeah, let's unbox it. First impressions are amazing. I really like this model. I wanted it for very long and now I received it for my birthday. And also the black on the engines I really like. As you can see, with the red, it's an amazing combination, I think. Starting at the cockpit, it's just a normal A340 cockpit, nothing special. And to the front door, also nothing special. Then we have the Etihad and the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix 2017 sticker livery. And the livery is also turning red right now, it's flowing over. If that's a correct explanation, I don't know. There are 4 engines on the A340, that's why it's not very popular anymore. Airlines are retiring their A340s, so that's a pretty shame. Also at the back we have the registration and the Formula 1 livery, Formula 1 sticker, sorry, and the Formula 1 tail. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. See you in the last review tomorrow.